The young crocodile emerges from the egg with a length of 20 to 30 centimeters. At first, it remains with its siblings concealed at the edge of its water habitat in order to avoid various predators. Principal among these are fishes and birds, but larger crocodiles also prey upon the young. Cannibalism and social exclusion are thought to greatly affect population dynamics and regulate population growth. During the first 3 to 4 years, the young increase in length by about 30 centimeters per year. The growth rate then gradually decreases, but growth can continue throughout life. Sexual maturity occurs at about age 10 and at a body length of about 1.5 to 3 meters. Crocodiles in captivity are known to have reached ages of 70 or more years, but longevity in the wild is poorly known. Lifespan estimates in the wild are based on growth rates, and limited studies of bone growth rings suggest that the lifespan of wild crocodiles and those in captivity may be similar. Sibling, a brother or a sister. I have 4 siblings, 3 brothers and a sister. Edge, the outer or furthest point of something. They built the church on the edge of the village. Longevity, living for a long time. To what do you attribute your longevity? Lifespan, the length of time for which a person, animal, or thing exists. The average human lifespan in the developed countries has increased over the last 100 years.